Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. In this video, we will learn that how we can create simple logo design in CorelDraw. So let's start. First, select the Edit tool from the toolbox. Now hold down Ctrl key from the keyboard and drag it. Then select this node and hold down Shift key from the keyboard and drag it inside like that. Now click on right mouse button and release. Then move this circle like that. Select this one and click on pie shape. Click on shape tool and move this node like that. Now select the both shapes. Click on trim and click on shape tool. Select this node and click on delete nodes. Then select this node and move this handle like that. Then select the pick tool. Again click on it and move this center point in this center. Then select the rotation handle and rotate it like that. Now again copy this object. Then one more. Now select this circle and click on delete and select all objects. Again click on it and move it like that. Now select the Smart Fill tool. Click on it. Click on Interactive Fill tool and fill the color in it. Now select this one and fill the color in it. Now tap the text what you want. So in that way we can create simple logo design in CorelDraw. So it was today's video. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.